Understanding Takt Time, key to efficient workflows. Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to delve into a fascinating term that's crucial in the world of business and manufacturing: Takt Time. This concept is not only interesting but also essential for understanding how companies optimize their production processes. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about business terms, this explanation will illuminate this important concept in a simple and easy-to-understand way. Firstly, let's understand what Takt Time actually means. The term originates from the German word Takt, which translates to beat or pulse. In the context of production and manufacturing, Takt Time is the rate at which a product needs to be completed in order to meet customer demand. It's essentially the heartbeat of a production line. To calculate Takt Time, you divide the available production time by the number of units the customer needs. It's a formula that helps businesses align their production speed with customer demand. Now, you might be wondering why Takt Time is so important. The answer lies in its ability to create a balanced and efficient workflow. By setting a specific rhythm for production, companies can ensure that they are not producing too much or too little, thereby avoiding wastage and delays. This balance is crucial for maintaining efficiency, reducing costs, and increasing customer satisfaction. Takt Time helps in identifying bottlenecks and understanding capacity requirements, which are vital for smooth operations. To bring this concept to life, let's consider an example. Imagine a toy factory that has orders to produce 100 toys in 8 hours. By calculating the Takt Time, they determine the rate at which toys need to be produced to meet this demand on time. This calculation helps them in organizing their resources, workforce, and time effectively. It's a practical tool used not just in manufacturing, but also in services and other sectors where meeting customer demand efficiently is key. I hope this video has shed light on the concept of Takt Time and its significance in the business world. Understanding terms like these can give you a deeper insight into how companies operate and manage their workflows. Remember, Takt Time is all about keeping the production in tune with customer demand, ensuring efficiency and satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more informative videos.